Okay, my friends, now we are going to jump into our lesson for today, and we're going to learn something so cool about math. Today, we're going to learn that when we add, we can switch the numbers around and we still get the same total. Let me show you what I mean. Right now, you have nothing in front of you, your hands are free, and you're just watching me up here. Watch carefully, friends. I'm going to show you two of my favorite snacks here, starting with grapes. How many grapes do you see? Show me on your fingers. Yep, 3, good. Also love apple. How many apple pieces do you see? Show me that on your fingers. Good, 5. Now, boys and girls, we're going to write an expression that shows the number of grapes and the number of apples put together. Just watch me for this one piece. My expression is 3 grapes plus 5 apples. What's my total going to be? Show me on your fingers. Good. 3 grapes plus 5 apples is 8 pieces of fruit altogether. You've got it, friends. Now watch carefully. Watch what I do. What happens if I move the apples this way and the grapes this way? Help me write an expression that shows my number of apples plus my number of grapes. Let's start with the number of apples. How many apples do I have? I'm calling a student. You could also call in a student here to read you the expression. Good. My expression here would be 5 apples plus 3 grapes. What's my total number of fruit? I want to see everyone show me on their hands. Go ahead and count them if you need to. My total is 8. 5 apples plus 3 grapes equals 8. Wait a second, friends. I'm noticing something here. I noticed that we switched the number of apples and the number of grapes, which I see here. We switched the 5 and the 3, but our total stayed the same. Our total was still 8. Let me show you very quickly a very quick sketch that represents what we just did. Watch careful, friends, and then you're going to get a chance to practice. We started with 3 grapes and 5 apples. My board is wet, friends. Hold on. Okay, let me try again. We started with 3 grapes and 5 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And wrote a number sentence, 3 plus 5 equals 8. But then we switched them around. The apples came first, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 apples. And then our 3 grapes. And our number sentence was 5 plus 3 equals 8. And we just noticed we switched the numbers around, but the total was the same. And here's how we can show that, friends. We know that 5 plus 3, 3 plus 5, said that wrong, equals or is the same as 5 plus 3. Pretty cool. We can switch the numbers around when we add, but the total is still the same. Now I'm going to have you do some practice. Okay, my friends, I'm going to draw green for grapes and red for apples here. You do not need to draw. You're going to be writing my number sentences, okay? So right now, hold up your whiteboard or your piece of paper and your marker or pencil, and I'd wait till everyone is ready. Okay, put it down. Watch me for 1 minute, and then I'm going to have you write a number sentence. Okay. Watch careful, boys and girls. This time, I'm a little hungrier. So I have 4 grapes and 3 apples. On your board, you do not have to draw the picture. On your board, please write an expression that shows how we would add together the grapes and the apples. I'm going to count to 5 slowly and then have you hold up your board. Hold it up. Good. I see 4 plus 3. What's the total? Fill in your total. Show me when you're done. 4 plus 3, 4 apples, 4 grapes plus 3 apples is 7 pieces of fruit all together. Okay, friends, let's switch them around. Now the apples are first and the grapes are second. Go ahead and write the full number sentence with the total to find the total number of pieces of fruit here. Give me a thumb up once you've written your number sentence, but don't show me yet. And I would wait and say, good, show me on 3. 1, 2, 3. Hold it nice and still. Nice. Sebastian, can you read me your number sentence? Good, Sebastian. 3 apples plus 4 grapes equals 7 pieces of fruit. Scholars, show me thumbs up, thumbs down. Is the total the same? It is. The total is the same. In both number sentences, it's 7. Now I want you to help me complete this equation. Since the total we know is 7 in both of these examples, we know that 4 plus 3 is the same as or equals 3 plus, what number should go in my blank? Write this on your board and fill in that number in the blank. Give me a thumb up when you're done. And then I'd have students show me again, call in a scholar here and say, good, we know 4 plus 3 is the same as 3 plus 4. We can switch those numbers around and we still get the same total.